Choosing the right niche for your home baking business is one of the most important steps to standing out and attracting the right customers. Whether you're specializing in custom cookies, wedding cakes, or artisan bread, finding your niche helps you focus your efforts and build a brand that customers trust. In this video, we'll go over why a niche matters, common home baking niches, and how to find the right one for you. When starting a home baking business, it's tempting to try and sell a little bit of everything. Cakes, cupcakes, cookies, macarons. You might think offering a wide range of products will bring in more customers. But in reality, trying to do too much can make it harder to stand out. A niche helps define your brand and attract the right customers. Instead of being just another home baker, you become the go-to person for a specific type of product. Whether it's custom decorated sugar cookies, elegant wedding cakes, or allergen-friendly treats, having a specialty makes it easier for people to remember you. Choosing a niche doesn't mean you can never expand. It simply gives you a clear starting point, allowing you to build a loyal customer base. When people know exactly what to expect from your business, they're more likely to recommend you to others. Plus, focusing on a niche makes it easier to refine your skills, improve efficiency, and create consistent, high-quality products. Instead of trying to compete with large bakeries or other home bakers offering everything, a niche lets you carve out your own space in the market. It helps you attract the right customers, set premium pricing, and grow your business with confidence. Once you understand why choosing a niche is important, the next step is deciding what type of baked goods you want to focus on. There are so many directions a home baking business can take, but picking the right niche comes down to 3 things: your skills, what people are buying, and what you actually enjoy making. Some bakers specialize in custom decorated cookies, creating intricate designs for birthdays, weddings, and corporate events. Others focus on celebration cakes, offering elegant designs for special occasions. If you love variety but want to keep things simple, cupcakes and dessert boxes are great options, as they allow for creativity while being easier to scale. Dietary-friendly baking is also a growing market. Many customers are looking for gluten-free, vegan, or allergy-friendly options, and home bakers who specialize in this niche often attract loyal customers who struggle to find safe and delicious treats elsewhere. Some businesses focus on wholesale baking, supplying cafes, local stores, or markets with baked goods in bulk. And for those who love seasonal creativity, holiday-themed treats and gift boxes can be a fun and profitable niche, especially around Christmas, Easter, and Valentine's Day. No matter what niche you choose, the key is to pick something you can do well, enjoy making, and see demand for. Starting with a specialty helps you build a brand and grow an audience, making it easier to expand later if you decide to. Choosing a niche is one thing, but how do you know which one is right for you? The best niche isn't just about what's trending. It's about what you enjoy making, what you can do well, and what people are willing to pay for. Start by thinking about what you naturally gravitate toward. Do you love decorating cookies with intricate details? Or are you more drawn to making elegant cakes? Maybe you prefer simple, high-volume baking like cupcakes and brownies that can be sold in bulk. If you're passionate about what you bake, it will show in your work, and that makes marketing much easier. Next, consider your skill level. If you're new to baking, choosing a niche that requires highly advanced techniques might slow you down. It's okay to start with something manageable and refine your skills over time. You don't need to be an expert right away, you just need to be consistent and willing to improve. You also need to think about what's in demand. Research what people in your area are buying, whether it's custom cakes, themed cookies, or dietary-friendly options. If you notice a gap in the market, like a lack of gluten-free treats or last-minute cake options, you may have found an opportunity. Finally, think about what's sustainable. Some niches are time-intensive, requiring hours of detailed decorating, while others allow for quicker production and higher sales volume. Finding the right balance between creativity, demand, and efficiency will help you build a niche that works for you and your business long-term. Defining your niche makes everything easier, from marketing your business to pricing your products and serving the right customers. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments what niche you're considering for your baking business. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on running a successful home bakery.